transfer money from Chime to Cash App. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to transfer money from Chime to Cash App. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your Chime account, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials. Click on login from the top right corner, and you can also use the Chime's official app in your mobile device if you want to. And after that, in order to transfer the money successfully, all you have to do is just follow these simple steps. So just open your Cash App account, and after that just simply select add banks and select Chime from the given option from there, and just log into your Chime bank account in both the accounts. And then you have to log in into your Cash App account and enter how much amount you want to transfer, and select on pay to make the payment. And as your account are linked, the money will be automatically come out of your Chime account, and yeah, this way you will be able to transfer the money. And if you are using the Chime debit card, you have to follow these steps. In order to transfer the money through debit card, you have to select the banking option in the Cash App account and click on add debit card and enter the card details, and just follow the on-screen prompts to complete the connection between both the accounts. And in your Cash App account, just select the banking and add cash options, and just tap on your account section and how much money you would want to transfer from your Cash App account to Chime account. And that's how simple it is to transfer the money between both the application. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.